Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily enable aim assist on PubG. If you're struggling to land shots or want smoother aiming, turning on the aim assist can really help, especially for beginners or casual players on PubG. So here's how we can do it. First of all, launch the PubG game on your device and let the main lobby to load. This is your main lobby over here. From the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner, and this will expand other different menu from where you need to click settings. Inside the settings menu, click on controls from the right hand corner. Under controls, go to advanced control from the top and tap on it, and then scroll down from the advanced control section. There, you'll see the aim assist button. Simply select enable under aim assist. Once you switch enable on aim assist, you have now activated aim assist function. Remember, aim assist only works in TPP classic mode, FPP classic mode, and training grounds. Aim assist will not work in ranked area, sniper training, war mode, hardcore mode, competitive ranked modes, etc. Now you can get back to the home page or the lobby screen and start a match to test your aim assist. When aiming at an enemy, you'll notice slight crosshair pull, easier tracking, and more stable aiming. Now you have successfully enabled aim assist in PUBG. Now your aiming should feel more smoother and much easier, perfect for leveling up your skills or improving your accuracy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.